Alright, so the core object here is a little bit empty. We got this cast shadow as the light where light absolutely can't touch, light coming shining this way, and I got this object casting the shadow down below. But remember, we got the surface down below. So when light say hit here, it will like reflect here will reflect right above it. Okay? So the reason that I did not draw this main cube, main sphere, is that it's a little bit complicated than that. This is not just, we'll just do that and just add shadow and add highlight. Because there's a reflective light that interfere with the shadow down below, I'm not going to do that, okay? Here is my trick. I draw the cast shadow, okay? Because it exists, and the cast shadow down below, we got a light. So they will get us a pretty dark value, okay? So the value, say this is like 8 or 9, something like that, okay? What I'm going to do is to think about the direction of the light. I know I use this horizontal line and then like curve using the cross contour that I introduced you folks earlier in the gesture section. It's pretty tempting to think that the shadow goes this way. It does not go this way. Remember, you got cast shadow, so basically your mind is like a basic computation. You sort of know that the light is shining this way. So let me just make it more, light coming. It's not just the one, but a multiple light, right? All sort of arrow shooting down like this. That's the reason we got this cast shadow. Okay, so instead of just directly follow this horizontal surface, you're not going to forget all this line, but rather you're going to see, well, the light coming this way, right? So that will give us this cross contour, okay? That is the major hurdle that I need to cross in order to make all this shadowing situation better. You find the direction of the light, where it's cast it, and remember, that's the place where the light being directly hits, and this is like in between, and then what's down below is that it can't hit because it's a sphere, so there will be the thickest part here. So all this can shine, right? All this half a sphere, all the light can shine here, but below is like already reaching this curve, like the Earth, right? Sphere, right? So for example, the light shine here, can shine. What about here, right? You can hit here, but what's down below can't reach it, okay? And to be honest, all this, like the angle is like changing. It's like direct hit, not so direct, not so direct, not so direct. Well, it's like a tangent hit, and all the way to this like tangent, and then shooting here. So it can't like turn around and hit here. It only can hit to the ground and reflect, bouncing back here. So there will be the cutting point, and that's the point that I already draw. So remember, it's not here, but rather you need to rotate it a little bit.